Welcome back, Kaspa traders, lovers, investors. Today, let's talk Kaspa Kas, a market update on the Kaspa price. Guys, make sure to click the like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell. Let's dive into the videos. Look, we told you to buy Kaspa here. We told you Kaspa is going to pump. It looks like a nice double bottom. And then we told you, hey, it's going to go higher here. And it did. Now, since here, it's been a naughty boy. Kaspa been a naughty boy. It actually got rejected from the 50-week MA. We told you to watch the 50-week MA for Kaspa. As long as it's below it and it cannot close above it, it is going to be weak. Okay, it's going to be slow, weak, and annoying because that's what happened when it's below 50-week MA. Once it's above the 50-week, you can see here, that's your bull market. That's your bull market. Bull market. Same with the 200-day MA. You want to watch the 200-day MA on the daily chart. That's the green line. You can see the green line here. We need to see Kaspa holding above the 200-day MA, coming up here, whatever, and start clearing these highs, the 1-3. Want to see it start clearing these highs, close above it and hold above it, or go sideways for a couple of weeks, maybe longer as well, as much needed. Squeezing under the resistance, and then it will start a new, a bull market. By the way, this is bullish as well. We're gonna get a golden cross. Okay, your first Kaspa golden cross since after a big correction, your first golden cross ever, pretty much. We had a little one here, a fake, a death cross, a fake death cross here, and then you got a golden cross. But this is gonna be the first ever golden cross for Kaspa Kas after a major correction. Okay, so that's gonna be bullish. It's going to happen in June, in beginning of June. It's gonna happen, should happen in beginning of June, and unless Bitcoin just completely getting wrecked, but not likely at all. So we're expecting a Kaspa golden cross. When a golden cross happens, you want to see the Kaspa price come up above it, hold above the cross, and then start rallying with the 50-day MA. The 50-day MA should go up, with the curve and start, we're gonna get much more momentum into the Kaspa. Okay, at the moment the Kaspa bullish momentum is kind of slow because it still have no golden cross. Okay, you gotta have a golden cross. Okay, you gotta have a golden cross, and that's why we're not really trading Kaspa now, because we had two trades. This was a short-term trades because we know when it's below the 200, when it's still technically in a downtrend. Okay, you can see here that was your high, lower high. That could be another lower high. Could be another lower high. But we also have a bullish reversal, right? So we waited for, to form here a higher low, maybe here, maybe a bit lower, maybe a bit higher. Who knows? Who cares? Okay, we're looking for another higher low here, okay, to confirm, and then to continue higher, because you can see this was the low. That's a higher low. We're looking for another higher low and another higher high, obviously. Okay, that's what we want. We want to maintain this uptrend, and start clearing the 1-3, then the 1-5. Once you close above these levels, you're gonna have a golden cross. It's gonna be much more easier to run. But again, don't expect Kaspa to go. You have all the moon boys from the toilets telling you, all these new people, man, they have no idea what they're doing. They're and people believe their nonsense. They calling for Kaspa to go to 30 cent, next month, or come on, and you gotta be realistic. It's probably not gonna happen in the next month or so, 30 cents, because you're still below the major resistance. You need to clear 20 cents. For us to clear 20 cents, I think it's gonna take some time, man. It's gonna take some time. If we're lucky, and we're just gonna move now to an alt season, proper alt season. So yeah, you can clear it, in like July or August. Okay, if we're lucky. If we're unlucky, you might not clear it, man. You might not clear it, you might not clear it till October, man. October, maybe later, you never know. And then we gotta see other stuff, other forces in the market that might pull the entire market into a bear market. But that's what, let's leave it to another video. Just make sure, guys, to cook the like, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep you posted on the Kaspa price, the Kaspa price analysis, anything you need to know about Kas. So make sure to cook the like. At the moment, it's just taking its time. There is nothing really interesting about it, total nonsense. Really, this is the time to make money. We're in a bull market. Let me show you a trade we took in the community. Print money while Kaspa is doing nothing. Look at this trade, man. ZBCN. That was the first trade from May 19th. We bought some at 1.9 and we tripled the size on 2.1. Let me show you the ZBCN chart. Remember these numbers, okay? This is how you make money in crypto, man. You need to know what to trade, okay? That was the first entry, 1.9, and that was the second entry, 2.1, okay? Triple the size. That was a huge position, all right? 2 entries, man. Max gain 170%. The first one, the second one was 150%. While Kaspa is doing absolutely nothing, man. We took the gains from Kaspa and we flipped them, the USDTs, to ZBCN. Now we flipped that amount of USDT to not triple, but double. We doubled up our amount that we put in ZBCN, man. And now we're trading other names that are pumping and looking amazing, man. You want to know what you're doing in this market. This market is not easy, man. If you don't know what you're doing, you're not gonna make money. You're not gonna make money because not everything is pumping, man. You need to know where to put your money exactly. You want to be precise. You need to be a sniper. That's why, man, I invite you, join our upcoming webinar next week on the 4th of June. It's called, you can scan the QR code on the left top corner, okay, and buy the webinar, man. Will change your life, man. We're gonna teach you how to select your coins, how to buy the coins, how to trade the coins, how to find the best performing coins in crypto market. We're gonna give you a list now, next week, of the coins that are ready to pump, just like we gave a list of the coins that are pumping now 2 weeks ago on our last webinar. So, man, really, if you want to make money, if you want to learn how to trade crypto, it will change your life, man. Just buy yourself a seat in the webinar. Join our membership as well if you want to get all our trade alerts to print money with us, man. Do us a favor, buy a lifetime membership, man. It's dirt cheap. We're gonna move it. We're gonna push the price higher because we're losing money pretty much. And yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. You have a wonderful day. Happy bull market. Cheers.